Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys enjoy these fall console table ideas that I wanted to share with you guys. So we have 4 ideas in today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. For my first look, I just wanted something that was out of my comfort zone, so I decided to use this brown vase that I got from my mother-in-law, where she was just discarding a bunch of vases because she no longer wanted them or had a need for them. I grabbed this one. I love the shades of brown in this, and I decided to go ahead and add my stems that also had a similar brown with a little pop of green, just to give it a little bit of life. And I just feel like this looks so pretty. I will try my best to link everything down below for you guys if I can. If not, I am sorry in advance. This photo, if you guys are OGs to my channel, you know that this is always in my kitchen. This is one of the photos in my kitchen, but I just felt that the colors complemented this look so much that I had to at least use it to decide if I wanted to get a similar picture printed out with those same colors inside it. And I have to say that I actually love those colors together. I mean, it is a wine bottle and a wine glass, but the colors are perfect together. I'm just going to put down a few of my coffee table books along with my wax melt that's in the color green. I think it complements the green in the plants, as well as a few of my pumpkins and a tea candle in a container that is also orange to complement those pumpkins. And I think this look just came together so nicely. It's out of my comfort zone, but I absolutely love the look. For look number 2, I decided to go ahead and use my extremely large white vase with a few of these orange and brown fall leaves. Y'all, I'm not sure if they're called fall leaves or not, but I'm calling them fall leaves because it just reminds me of fall. So I'm just going to add a few of those in the tall container because it just looks so pretty. I just love that color. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a few of the brown leaves that I had in the first look into this one, and I just think that it complements each other so well. You have a few of the leaves that still have a lot of life and color, and then the brown ones that are dying and getting ready to fall. Then on the sides, I'm going to place a few of my coffee table books. These are just books that I've gotten from my husband that he no longer uses, as well as some of the books that I purchased myself from Amazon. They were very inexpensive and they have a lot of styles inside it. I just love actually sitting down and reading them and getting some inspiration on styles. So I'm just going to put those on each side of the vase, some candles on one end along with a pumpkin on the other, and this is look number 2. Let me know what you guys think about this one. For look number 3, we're using that same large vase. If you have not catched on as yet, then you don't know. This is my favorite vase for the entryway. It is just tall and beautiful. I did get this from my mother-in-law as well when she was discarding vases, and I just upcycled it and painted it white. I'm going to add some of those stems again, but this time I'm adding 4 of the orange stems alone, along with my books standing up, leaning on the vase. Then I'm going to go ahead and add couple more books laying flat down just to incorporate another pop of orange to tie in the leaves along with the pumpkin to the other side of the console table. Then I'm going to add 2 of my tapered candles. I do burn these, but I burned them on the candlestick on a candle holder. So don't worry, I did not light these for this look. What do you guys think about look number 3? For my last and final look, which is almost my favorite, I gotta say I have 2 favorites. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. But this one I really liked a lot. I'm using that same tall white vase again, but this time I'm adding some more greenery. So I'm adding I think this is a eucalyptus stem. I'm adding some eucalyptus stems as well as some more of these thin green stems. It's just extra greenery. And then I'm going to go in and add some brown stems just to, signify that the leaves are dying and it is time for fall. I'm going in with that same photo from my kitchen again. I'm still looking for something with those colors inside it to add to another frame to replace that with. I just absolutely love those colors together. I love it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a pumpkin next to the vase and the picture frame. I'm going to lay a couple of my books down and then add my tea light again on top. This one was very simple but so elegant. I absolutely love this look. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please remember to leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not as yet, and let's comment down below which one was your favorite. So until then, I'll see y'all in my next video. Tschüss.